Define your beauty with this straight human long pixie bob haircut wig by Papayahair. Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am so excited because I will be sharing with you this beautiful human cut wig. Now, before I share with you the wig itself, they sent some goodies that I am sharing with you right here. Butterfly clips, wig caps, and so much more. And a 15% off coupon for my next purchase. Now this is a 10-inch wig. I knew we were coming up on the summer months, so I wanted something a little short. And this is how the wig looks. It has two combs in the front of the wig and one in the nap or the rear of the wig. And here are the adjustable bands. And here I am placing the wig on for the first time. I am loving the feel of this wig. This wig does not shed, and I really love that. No shedding. So now that I have it adjusted, I'm just making sure I have the combs in place so it will not slide on me. So right now I'm adding a little heat to the wig, not much. But as I add my little touches to my new little girlfriend, so let me share with you a little information about this beautiful straight human long pixie bob haircut wig. It is 100% unprocessed human hair, no shedding, and tangle free. The cap size average is 22 to 22.5 inch. The length of bangs is slightly larger according to the head circumference of each person, so that you can trim the length of the bangs to achieve your satisfactory results. This wig is fashionable and stylish, looks natural, real. It's very pretty and feminine, soft to the touch. You can wear it to parties. This could be a everyday wig for daily use, and so much more. So information about this wig and Papayahair will be listed in my description box down below, as well as a coupon code for my blessed family members. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow me on all of my social media sites, and shop my Amazon store for home decor, home essentials, personal items, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Be safe out there, guys. Love you.